The animals are sad. Let's help them. Move the animal. Way to go! That's right. Very good. It's a panda. Yay! You got all the animals.
Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie.
The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food. That's right. Yes, that's right. A duck eats corn. What a job you did. You fed all the animals.
Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Correct. That's the duck's house. Very good. That's the panda's house. Way to go. That's the monkey's house. Get notifications.